Guys, me don't get my reaction. I literally just come and open. I feel like this upside down. Open the door, look what I see. Look what I see. Look there. Look there with my name. Wait, my name, I'm just step under this one. Look there with my name. I'm gonna order now. This look like it come from my husband. I'm about to come, Janelle. Text another group so I'm on my way. Guys, I forgot where this come from. Now I'm excited. My arm, my arm. Now I'm just drop it right to the sun. No, stop. I'm not even like a big door. Why does this look like a my order? My order? Janelle, text my group and tell them some of the palm over. Guys, we're not gonna. This look like my husband order though. Guys, I forgot what me when I come from work later. But just see one confirm for mine. Or my husband on the one yeah, where him sent for me. I'm just kind of want it. Guys, are trying to see. That one look like a my one. Like a my other this. This one look like a mine. So later I'm gonna come people. Sit right up, sir. I'm very excited guys. I should have seen my reaction on the go. See the right lesson. Alright guys, so later when I come from work, I'm gonna put this on show now. Alright. Bye guys. So guys, I am back. I just reached home guys. I'm very tired. I'm very tired. And here it is. Right here. My box. Guys, guess what? It is not from my husband. So the one is not from Devin, but it is something I ordered. It is something I ordered. Something I ordered. Something I said. So guys, let's go. I don't know, so I'm not have no tripod and nothing for all the things there. So, shit. Guys, we don't have nothing for all the things, so. Look like man, lock down this tight. Over there. Ooh. See there. Yeah, my good. Yeah. Shit. Sorry guys. Guys, my wish I got something for all of them so I can't see me while I'm pulling the things. That one, something like phone. So I'm not feel worried about it. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna just rest in the right to Sophia minute them up. Whoop, I'm really at whoop. When you can't see me. So guys, look. Ooh. Oh, you see what I talk about, guys? I said what I want forever. So we can't hold it now. heavy, man. Jesus please. It is here. It is here. It is here. So then put it in this big box, yeah. For a reason. For a reason. It is here, people. My ring light. My ring light. It's full now. It's fully packaged, man. It's fully packaged. Oh, take out the nano. Guys, you know my great yes again. I really hope you guys see me now. Guys, I take out the ring light so I can fix it in the ring light so I can see it. I don't really want to mash up the back just to get. Why don't I say now? Oh, you mean that? Me have to force to pull it out. Me I eat that, you know, people. Me I eat it. God, it's literally the obelisk. Oh, it comes. It comes. Oh. Pretty, don't it? Guys, I don't know if I can see me, but look, yeah. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's nice. Well, this drop out of the box, man. I know where it's fine now. Oh, this look like someone hold the camera. Look at dust the pan it still. Look at dust the pan it. Look pan it, people. Look at dust the pan it. But now when I look at wipe off can't hurt. Wow. Easy now. Easy now. This big. This big bad. This big. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's all like clear. It's all like clear. People, this big bad. Alright, this big. Let's see if no else done in the bag. Bag not so thick. I get a few little things for scan. For the ring light operation. 2 little attention. Activate your warranty within 14 days. Text. So this money for activate. Disclaimer, your email will serve you as a... Anyways, people, may read this and activate it another time. Let's see what else comes in the box. And then the things that might come with. Alright, guys. Still turn this so I can like just take my time, of course. Show what the things in the box. But I wonder where the tripod stand there, but I find it. You come down and look a little box, so I'm gonna get this. I think so. This is for the phone, so I'm gonna get 1 of this. Oh, 2 of this. How are this? The charging part. No. Oh, I get 2 remotes. I forgot to pull this phone and see. I get the charging part and then I get 2 remote with it. Guess whatever, it's dirty and bacteria and no business. So, 1 remote, 2 remotes, and I guess una go want me. Well, not better charger. See next remote something here. And then I get 2 more something for the phone. No man, this nice. I get enough things. My life stripe I never have so much thing. Alright, and this tripod and ring light, and then this now. Oh, it's heavy and that hurt me. I can put it right there, so I open and see it. Open it. But I really want. Oh, this thick. Shit, this guys, this thick. Oh, boy. What is the foot? I want to go right there. How the foot look like it upside down? Which part of the top part? This and straight. This stick, man, I can't even tell what go here. Ah, boy, let me lock back there, so. How old is lock back? Ah. People, easy now. You go like, alright. Hope it tall. Hope it tall, you know, cause this don't look like it ever tall. This don't look like it tall. This look like, guys, look like I'm taller than. Look like I'm taller than this. Guess this is the foot now. Bombat. Hey, boy. Hey, guys. This. Oh, so this get it. No, man, I'm not telling this. Guys, look like me. I forgot to stand up for that one. I forgot to stand up by my feet. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna put it out as suckers. First of all, it's taller than me as you can see, and the ring light don't reach on it yet. But I notice it down here, so make it tall. So like, I can just bring it flat. Oi, not up so, like flat so. Which I like basically skin it out. And then now, I have to go up here so. I can just make it my height. Ooh, tighten this more. Tighten this more so it don't move. Yeah, it have to tight. May I make it this height? Look on it right, that's a people. May I make it this height and then put the ring light on it. The ring light there. So I basically just want to turn it on for see. I want to turn it on people for see. So give me a minute, I must put on the ring light and then show you how it look with the ring light on it. Guys, as usual, I know me not have much sense, so I don't know if I miss something. If we go right there so, and then we put on the ring light over it. Guys, I can't only have one bachelor's. Guys, clearly something missing, and I don't know what it is that is missing. Put the ring light in there for the. I'm gonna try this again. But I can't this. I'm gonna look at the wall. I can't that. Me feel if you believe say at this. Guys, you know I'm gonna know that would a little something more. Guys, you know I'm gonna in there. Alright. This fully come out now. If you're not going in there, something wrong. This is why. Come on, just say that this is why woman not put things in a hole. Tell me that we can't find it all. Alright guys, somebody I forgot to delete some stuff so it not like stick up no more. So this is it. And me gonna grab the card now. So like plug it in. I just really want to say like the brightness that's it can go taller than this, especially with the foot. Especially with Anna, I had the glare of the camera, sorry. Especially with the foot, it can go taller, but I don't know your girl short. So clearly I'm not go taller than that. So guys, I can finally stop. I kind of just tired of this, you know. I can finally stop having all over the place and shake up and shake up. When I can depend on the time by the sound. And I can just move the tripod and make it easier for me. Understand? I don't know where this plug into. Cause I don't know why them. You see what I mean it, man? One thing though, the card, me know me have problem with it cause it don't so me know me have problem with it. But what I like with the apartment here guys is say the apartment shit. Sorry. Ooh, boy. What I like with it guys, the apartment yeah. Ooh, hard for going man. Tight. Oh, it have plug all over the place. All over the place it have plug. So that means like with the apartment, you know. You understand? Oh, guys, look on this. Look on this people. Now talk truth. You're gonna get light. You know, mama look off the flashlight. You're gonna get light and then we have like a something going right there, so. I don't know. Oh, me I turn it up. Boy. Guys, me I turn it up that. Boom, bonnet. Hey. Easy. It bright your fat. At 100. Turn it back down. Mama see if we can skip it light. I don't know what that me I press now. Oh, this are the white light now. Alright. See the white lights, yeah, guys. I'm gonna lock off the room light. If you wanna see the brightness of the tripod. The tripod I cause all of this, guys. The brightness of the light. Look at me. I'm not want no other light. Tripod bright if it bright. It bright, people. This is 100. It depend right so. I don't know if I can see it. Shark lights up there. I don't know if I can see it, but anyways, it depend 100. And this when it turn down dim now. It got to 0.5. And it still have bright enough. Mama see the other light color now. To turn it up. Ooh, okay. That is like white light. So guys, I like it. And then remember say it have the remote. It have the remote runner back and then it have them one bag. Something I want right so I guess I can plug it in right so for charge my phone if my phone are dead. And then now we have them here. Guys, give me some time. I'm gonna put them here upon it. And then yes guys, I'm merge the bed together and I watch the bed not bed, I'm in a business. Give me some time for merging them together and then I call and I start video again. Give me some time, people. I love the tripod nice, it bright, and then the neck bag and things well. I'm not gonna need the bag now, but when I travel, it's gonna make it quite easier. It kinda look a bit pricey. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I'm not gonna pretend like it's not pricey. But the tripod stick thick, guys, it's thick. The stick part thick. And it's tall. When I know this taller than my husband. Cause the height weight there right now would have be for telling. So and we can go higher. So this bright guys are the best buy from come up here. So look on it again. And I'm gonna put another something them give me 1 minute. I see it here. I'm gonna turn off the light, got the light very bright. Come with 1, 2, 3. Some up here on the right, on the nose right is automatic already. The stand and then the 2 remote. For the remote though, people, the remote though come with no battery. The one that come with battery disconnect to the phone, the Bluetooth something, and this will work. So I open it anytime my video and unleash this. At least I know say no, I can have a tripod for all the phone and not just one phone, multiple phone. And then the next piece, the piece here, apparently connect this to this. This can go in at the middle. And then now the piece here can also connect the camera. If you don't have a camera, so this is a good tripod if you have a camera too, and it bright and it get tall as you can see. Guys, are way up in the ceiling this so I see the tripod go a while ago when I lift the foot high, so that is something to consider as well. Guys, I'm gonna like that video. Me basically pull up back the place where I never did so right it already come there for rush out. I know the place never look 300, but I don't want to comment down below about all the place one clean and this and that. But depend on a busy shift. I'm a working woman. So I never did get to spread and do the most. Understand? And then tomorrow I have an early shift. Although I tell my husband to make my bed and hang up a while ago. But I notice that I have to do a video because I have to post a video tomorrow. I don't have a video already, Mama. I go post and then maybe edit this another time and post that one. But when you see it, I say, I know that I got bed. Yesterday, I never got my bed, I end up shoot that video, yeah. But I never got my bed now because it's not really, the video never take long for shoot. You can look on the video timestamp and see how long the video take. I'm not unpull no, I'm not fix up but no, I'm not got my bed and wake up a morning and then do it. So later, alright. And see my roommates are passing and look for me with my walker bag. Anyways guys, thanks for tuning into my video. It was a pleasure to see you. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos to come. I recycle the tripod, come on and all the things. Set the video never gonna start. Let's yes guys, so bye.